Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Srishty Sinha, a member of Shivi Forensics, and in today's video, we are going to practice some multiple choice questions from the topic explosives. These questions are super important from the point of view of UGC NET examination, Viva examinations, and fact examination. So let's just get into it. Before we practice any questions, let's have a little introduction of the topic. So explosives are substances that undergo rapid chemical reaction and produces heat, gases and high pressure. These are the substances that release energy which causes blast wave, heat, sound and fragmentation. Explosives are used in mining, construction, military work and some criminal and terrorist activities. In forensic science, explosives are analyzed to determine its type, its origin, and cause of blast. So, this was a little introduction, and now we will practice the question. And the first question is, which of the following explosive is composition of PETN? And the options are A. C4, B. Semtex, C. Cyclotol, and D. Composition B. And the answer is B. Semtex. Semtex is a plastic explosive that is composed of PETN and RDX. And these two explosives make Semtex very powerful, stable, and easily moldable explosive. Next, which of the following explosives are included in plastic explosives? And the options are A. C4 explosive, B. Black powder explosive, C. Semtex explosive, D. Terryl explosive, and E. Picric acid explosive. You have to choose two options from the given option. This is one of the questions asked in UGC NET examination, and the answer is C4 and Semtex. These are the two plastic explosives that contain RDX and PETN, and they are mixed with plasticizers and binders to make them soft and moldable. Next question. Which of the following technique is used for the presumptive identification of explosives? And the options are A. Color and spot testing, B. Ultraviolet spectrophotometry, C. Thin layer chromatography, and D. X-ray diffractometry. And the answer is A. Color and spot testing. It is a presumptive test used for rapid and preliminary identification of explosive residues. Next question. In case of detonation of explosive, the chemical reaction proceeds, and the options are through the material at a rate greater than the speed of sound in unreacted material, B. Through the material at a rate less than or equal to the speed of sound in reacted material, C. Through the material at a rate greater than the speed of light in reacted material, and D. Through the material at a speed equal to the speed of light material. And the answer is A. Through the material at a rate greater than the speed of sound in the unreacted material. In detonation, the explosive reaction is driven by supersonic shock wave that travels faster than the speed of sound in unreacted explosives, and it creates very high pressure and energy that also creates the blast wave. Next question. Explosive residue received in forensic science laboratory must undergo following examination first. And the options are A. Microscopic examination, B. Chemical examination, C. Visual examination, D. Instrumental examination, and E. Vapor examination. And you have to choose multiple options from the given options, and the answer is explosive residue received in FSL must undergo microscopic examination, visual examination, and vapor examination. Next question. Choose the correct statement regarding pipe bomb. A pipe bomb having a black powder as a main charge will produce fragments that are smaller than from the same bomb having a double base smokeless powder. Option B. Double base powder has a higher velocity than black powder when used in pipe bomb. C. Only metal pipe made of cast iron is used as a pipe for pipe bomb? Option D, pipe bomb are used during conventional war. And the answer is B. Double base powder has higher velocity than black powder when used in pipe bomb because double base powder contains nitrocellulose and nitroglycerin and it burns faster and generates higher pressure. Next question. ANFO stands for, and the options are A. Ammonium nitrate fuel oil, option B. Ammonium nitrate fuel oxide, option C. Aluminium nitrate fuel oil, and option D. Ammonium nitrite fuel oil. Attempt this question very carefully. And the answer is A. Ammonium nitrate fuel oil. Next question. Which of these are true regarding high explosives? And the options are A. They cannot be further classified as primary, secondary, and tertiary. Option B. They require a shock to initiate their detonation. Option C. They burn at a rate of less than 3000 feet per second. Option D. They do not burn, rather detonate and disintegrate at molecular level. You have to choose between multiple options, and the answer is option D, which is high explosives like RDX and PETN are shock sensitive and requires detonators or plastic cap for initiation. They also undergo detonation, not deflagration, right? Next question. The major difference between deflagration and detonation is, and the options are A. Color of the flame, B. Speed of the reaction, C. Weight of the explosive, and D. Storage temperature. And the answer is B. Speed of the reaction. Deflagration travels below the speed of the sound, whereas detonation travels above the speed of sound. And next question, and perhaps the last question of today's video. Yes, which instrument is most commonly used in forensic laboratories for identifying explosive residue? And the options are A. UV spectrophotometer, B. Gas chromatography mass spectrometry GCMS, C. Hemocytometer, and D. Compound microscope. And the answer is B. Gas chromatography mass spectrometry. GCMS is the most commonly used forensic instrument and it can accurately detect and identify even small amount of organic explosive. It is highly sensitive and highly reliable, and thus it is one of the most essential tool in post-blast investigation. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel, and for more such videos keep following us on our social media platforms and stay connected, stay curious. Thank you so much.